What's up, guys? This is Master Gamer Pro, and I'm here with a game called Deadbolt. I don't know what's with the screen. It's weird. It's weird. But yeah, I saw Jacksepticeye play it and Felix play it, and I thought it was really cool. I thought it'd be fun to play. So back to my gaming video. So I haven't played it much. So use W, use stairs, E to pick up. Ooh, I got a knife. What? Oh, that's so cool. Holy crap. Knock. This is so cool. I swear, it's just like, it's like, wait, oh. What? I don't get this. Wait, what? Wow. Alright. So, I think it told me to hold this and... No way! Oh no! No! I didn't mean to do that! Crap! Okay, I'm gonna go super... Alright. Looks like you're on your period tonight. Can I just... Oh, no way I can turn off the light switches. No! Why? I totally forgot about him. Alright. How do you hear that down there? I swear, you're sitting on the toilet and all of a sudden you're just like... No! Hell. He's like sitting on the toilet and then he gets up from taking a crap and just like pulls out a gun from where? Jeez. Alright, it says hold that and throw... Okay, throw a knife. It bounced off the floor! That's not fair! See, he has a gun too! Where does he keep it? Oh, he must have been hiding it. Alright. No! It says... No way. Alright. That's kinky. No way. That's really cool. I can flip the tables. Oh, I'm like Infamous. It's like Infamous whenever you go through the vents and stuff to get in. Oh, that's so cool.
Headshot.
I'm gonna do that glitch. Why are you guys going in there? I'm not a killer. Where are you going from? No! It doesn't switch weapons! It's not fair! Alright, I'm gonna go super fast.
Headshot.
You don't see anything. Come up, you say. Do you see me? No way, he didn't see me! No! I was doing so good! Oh, I can see my reflection.
Headshot.
Okay, I'm gonna be... I don't want to go up there. I want to go here. No, I can't do that. Dang it. Damn it.
Headshot.
Alright. Now I can pick this up and do that weird glitch.
Headshot.
Alright, open it and nothing's here. There we go. Awesome. 3 stars, not bad. Wait, what? What? The flames roar to life. Wow, okay. I have no idea what that means. I think this is my mission book. I have no idea what to do. Mission. I got a few new complaints from zombies shacked up a house downtown. The flyer said, show them the door. Alright. I guess I kill zombies. Did it say zombies? What? Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. Actually, I'm gonna do that weird glitch thing.
Headshot.
Boom. Headshot. Oh.
Headshot.
Shit. Can you not see me? I'm sitting right there. Oh, that was close. I want to go out. No! I'm out of ammo! Fuck. Alright, let me...
Headshot.
Headshot.
See ya. Oh! I was right there! Oh! Oh, that sucks. This dude's so good. Uh-oh. Stupid. You smoking, bruh? It's bad for you. You know that, right? You did not just see your friend die and then just walk up to me just like, nothing happened. You're so stupid. Alright. I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna be like, whoa. That's weird. He smokes and turns into dust. That's so cool, though. Ooh, 4 stars! No detection. Alright, I'm not even gonna read these. If you want to read these, just... Yeah. I'm just gonna do the missions because I'm gonna try to get through the whole bottom part of it. The light switch doesn't work. Give me, bruh. What? The door! Okay, open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Good job. Now just open it. I'm gonna use this door glitch to my advantage. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and just... What? I didn't even... What?
Headshot. Headshot.
Headshot.
Come in here, bruh.
Headshot.
Yeah, bruh. Alright, go here. Nice. Hola. My name is Juan. And you dead. All that's left is this dude. Alright, I'm done. Guns a blazing. I'm done. No! I need to get the gun. Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Oh. Oh. God. God. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. Oh, knife kill.
Headshot.
I have one bullet to make it count. No! No! Dang it!
Headshot.
What was that? Really? Alright, you can oh yeah! Shotgun, baby! Oh yeah, baby! What's up, man? Destroy! Hey, bruh. Come on, bruh. But there was... What? Alright, I'm gonna kill...
Headshot. Headshot.
Over here.
Headshot. Headshot.
Over here. Grab that. Shut off the light as I do that. Go here, here. Can you not know anything, baby? You seriously just stand there and you don't see nothing. I stomp so loud, I swear. You just sit there like a dumbass.
Headshot.
Double kill. Alright. Hola, my friend. What's the last guys? Oh, there's one over there. Oh, there's that one guy. Oh, I have no ammo for... I I have one shot in the shotgun. Holy crap! Are you, dude? Really? Knife kill! I'll knife kill him. Yes. Where's the last guy? Because I have no ammo. Oh, I just leave. Or do I? Wait, what? Oh. Oh, I forgot there's nothing there. Well, throw it up. Come back down, kill me. Ooh! I shot it. That's awesome. Can I pick that up? I want to pick it up. I have an extra. No more dead bodies. It's stuck in them. Let's go. Alright. Ah, man. That took too long. Alright, let's get through this. Woo! Well, I've been using that gun for the whole time, so I mean, like, what's the difference? Alright, so now we're at the, this one, the smoke single guys. Apparently this whole game is about zombies doing drugs, which is really weird. Alright, I'll use the 32 revolver because... Do you you seriously didn't just... Okay, so... This game is difficult. I'm gonna give you that. Are you for real? Oh, dang, this guy's here. Alright, oh. Ah! Nowhere to be found. Can Fuck. Okay, I tried. Wait, is there two? What? This is crap. What can I do if I just... Oh!
Phew! That's what happens when you mix C4 with a bean burrito.
Damn. I need a fucking gun. There's knives in here, but I don't know. Alright, so I need to kill him first. I need to grab the shotgun, switch my pistol out. I'll knife you. Woo! I need to play Far Cry 4, dude. Alright. Oh, I didn't see you! Oh! Alright, explosive diarrhea. shotgun. Oh. Nine! And there's a pistol in there, so I'm gonna go this way, because I think this way has a better thing. Alright, so I go up. Oh crap, he's coming closer. Oh! Shotgun. How many bullets? I have 2 bullets, okay. I'm gonna pop you, grab a knife. Come down here. Actually, I'm gonna... Oh, he's coming down. He's coming down. He's coming down. I'm gonna do a peekaboo shot on him. What? I didn't mean to do that! Okay, alright, lights off. Lights off. Knife! Alright, there's a pistol over here. Alright, there's 2 guys in this room. Got him. Better not be another guy. Okay, it's a fully... Okay. Destroy. Oh, was I supposed to light the other ones on fire? Damn it. I didn't know that. Can I just use the vent? Because I don't want to go through all that. Yeah, that helps a lot. Alright. Cool. Alright, there's 2 guys in here. Put the ball! Come on. I just wasted my shotgun. Surprise, motherfucker. What's in here? Nothing. I should just go. Damn it. I'm gonna go grab a knife, because actually the knives are pretty cool. What? So, pistol. Come here. Thought he was coming for a second there. I'm gonna do a knife kill. I'm gonna do a knife kill so bad. Oh. Alright, let me set this one on fire. Alright. Wait, what? Hold on, motherfucker. Alright. I guess I did that. 2 stars. Damn it. It's so hard, I swear. Wait, what's in here? What? What did I just do? I like lifted that. Alright. So I'm not gonna go read that. Alright, so I got him now. Sorry I have to end there, guys. The video is really long. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to go check out Jacksepticeye's channel. He's one of my favorite YouTubers, as well as Markiplier and PewDiePie. They've inspired me to do YouTube, and I know the audio and the video and everything is crap, but I'm 14 years old, so, I mean, give me a break. Come on, guys. But that's all for now. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, you can find me right in front of the TV. See you guys later. Bye.